Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to hard reset Vivo T3 Lite 5G smartphone. Okay, this is helpful for those who have forgot their password, pin or pattern. As you can see, incorrect password. Okay, to do hard reset, first power off your smartphone, press the volume up and power key together. Now tap on power off to power it off. Okay, now it is successful power off. Now press and hold the power and volume up key together for few seconds. Press and hold it. And now release, and you can see Vivo 5G fast boot. Now here volume keys to move up and down and power button to confirm. Now here go to recovery mode and confirm. Confirm it. So you can see it will send you in Vivo 5G recovery. Here we have installed software, clear data, check system, and enter safe mode is available, and on bottom power off and restart is available. So here go to clear data, and you can see clear cache and clear all data. Here go to clear all data, and you can see clear all data on this device will be cleared, including important data such as contact, photos and SMS messages. Data cannot be recovered if cleared. Proceed with caution. Now tap on OK. Simply tap on OK, and you can see clearing data. Do not use the device. So here you can see all data cleared. Now tap on return, and here go back, and now power off or restart the device. Now here you can see restart your device. Now tap on OK. And guys, after hard reset might take some time to boot up the device, and after hard reset might ask for password, pin or pattern. Use Google account to unlock the phone. So guys, this is the method to hard reset Vivo T3 Lite 5G smartphone easily. Guys, thanks for watching. If you have any query related to this video, let me know in comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe and click on bell icon for the latest updates.